put the hair milk in. Your Nordalocks is nice. 5 o'clock in the morning, though. Gee, you got a lot of hair. No. I knew this was gonna take time. When I see the cut of your hair, I was like, oh hell. I say I should have saw her hair all loosened out.
Well, I showed y'all the important parts.
You're right.
You had the whole perimeter.
No, I'm supposed to have total.
And the gray hair was out. So, I mean.
Whatever.
You missing?
Total. Okay. Let me spray this sucker. The edges.
Yeah.
I can see you now with your Nordalocks. You're going to be spraying the crap out of your hair. Let me raise the top. Get all under there.
What do you say? I can't put oils in it?
No oils. You cannot put no oil in your Nordalocks, ma'am. No oils other than the hair milk and the tonic water. But the tonic water is what you will use. Right now I put the hair milk. So when you go home, get a spray bottle of water. And the solution is already in your hair, so you don't need no more solution in your hair right now. Are we on the same page?
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be
That's your
calling you
testimony, right? We're on the same page.
I'll be calling you regularly.
All right, let me trim it. You say, I need to answer the phone. Oh, lady, come on, I gotta trim it so you can get on your flight. That's if your flight didn't cancel. And please, whatever you do, don't sit down there and trim, because I didn't groom them. These, the ends will shrivel up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just talking about the long, string.
Yeah, if you ever watch any of the videos, the ends will shrivel up. All right. Just kind of grooming it just a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. All right, let me put the solution in there. Hold up. Ready? You're going to be a little bit down. There's a little bit of butter in it. That's kind of caked up right now, but it will solidify itself. Because I forgot that with this solution I did put butter in it. And yeah, but it'll settle into the locks. So
you're gonna need it because they're going on the plane.
Yeah, you're going on the plane, so.
Who knows how long the layover in New York is.
Yeah, I'm trying to rub it in now. All right, guys, so this is her Nordalock. 3 days. These are extensions. I can't really do too much with the video because she got to go. Raise your head up. All Nordalock micro extensions. And she got to get on the plane. She's from Massachusetts, by the way. It was the patient and time. And if you guys see me wearing something over my hand this time, my hand got into a serious pain, but now it's better. When the doctor tell me to put something on my hand, it kind of worked for me. So I was happy. So these are all extensions. Beautiful, beautiful. And you see she has some streaks in the back of the hair. Okay. Yep. You see the front. You wanted it to be all in the middle, or you want it to come over, like some of it coming over like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil because it's kind of, sticky. Sticky as in there's no, what we call it, lubrication.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in there. Ooh, they're so pretty. They are so gorgeous and so pretty. I'm just jealous of you guys that come in here to get our Nordalock extension. Let me put a little bit of oil in her hair. Hold on. Let me put a little bit of. And I'm tired, so yeah, I'm really tired, y'all. Let me focus. In the morning, this time of morning going home. Yeah. This time of morning going home. So where's the ocean? All right, so I'm going to use a little bit of the hair milk. No promotion here. It's not a promotion here day. She needed a little bit of oil, but I don't recommend you to put oil in your Nordalocks. But she needed just a little bit of oil because she don't want to walk around with dry Jerry curl type of thing. Beautiful. Huh? The tropical punch? Y'all, yeah. Alright. That's it. Look, shake it again. Shake it again. She's sick with it, y'all. Okay, I'm done. Go ahead. Where's your package? You got your package, your kit?
Yep.
Yeah, and did I put a sock in your kit? Okay. All right, cool. All right, here you go. Put your kit back in because I don't want to get all messed up. All right, get out my chair and go to your flight.
Okay.
Bye. Don't forget your sweater. Don't forget that.
You off the phone?
It's me.
She want me off. So I'll be back with you guys.